Hello learners, how are you all? I hope you all are fine and doing great and amazing things in your life. So how many times I have to say with you all that practice makes man perfect. Everyone want to improve their English speaking, they want to enhance their communication skill. But what do you think? What are you thinking? Like if I want to speak English, I want to improve my English speaking, what I have to do? I have to just speak. I have to just listen and speak. But why we are not doing? Because of fear, or because of we don't know about the basics of English? Because of we fear that if someone will listen, they will laugh at me? We don't have to do it. The simple way, I have to just take some time and I have to invest on myself, and I will go in a peaceful environment, in a peaceful place, and I am going to talk to myself. I am going to read and I am going to talk to myself. And the simple and easiest way, if I will suggest with you all, that put one video from the TEDx or Just Talk in English and just listen that video, and you are going to just summarize that video in your language. You are going to summarize that video, whatever the things you learn from that video. You are going to just start the recording from your phone, the voice recorder. I'm not, if you are not comfortable in video recording, just you can turn on the voice recorder, and whatever the learnings from that video you got, you have to just summarize in your word. You have to just say whatever the learnings you got from that video, you have to tell in that recording. Then sit and listen your audio. You are going to amazed, you are going to get some insights, how I am speaking, how is my voice modulation, what are the words I pronounce or I am not able to pronounce. I have to go to check what are the correct pronunciation of that word. So I have to do these things for just 1 week, and you are going to be more productive. You are going to see how I am improving myself. You are going to see what are the difficulties I was facing and on which difficulties I have to work. So this is the exact and this is the simplest solution of English speaking. Because most of the time I tried to join some courses, I paid 500 or 1000, but I'm not going to get the knowledge what I was expected, because there was a recording session. You have to just listen and you have to write it down. But I'm not going to just read the sentence and just write it, read and write. Just I have to start speaking. I have to speak because I have to improve my English speaking. So I have to improve, I have to speak every day on a daily basis. Because of this, I speak every day on front of the camera and I post on YouTube. So I am improving myself also, and you are also going to listen it and you are going to improve yourself also. So this is a simple strategy, this is a simple method which everyone can follow and everyone is going to get the results. Yes, this is a simple meaning. And the two parts are there. First, which I tell you, that listen and speak, listen, speak, listen, speak, listen, speak. And listen the productive speakers, the good speakers. Like if you are going to listen the TEDx speakers, they are well educated, they are successful, they are going to give some great knowledge also. And Just Talk speakers, and you, if you like someone, you are also going to listen them. And whatever after the listening, you have to also speak. You have to say what he was saying, what was the topic. You have to just you have to listen to absorb the speaker, everything. What is the topic of that speaker, and what are the things he just deliver in his speech, and how the sentences structure he use, what are the vocabulary he use. You know the words or not? If you don't know, then just write down. and then pick up 2 or 3 sentences or words, and you are going to tell in your words. You are going to just summarize that speech in your words. So think about it, how much you are going to improve yourself. This is the first step, and the second is you can start reading books, and after reading books or articles or blogs, anything you can read, and you after reading you have to just summarize that news or article or blog in the writing. So this is a great and amazing way to improve the speaking, to improve the reading and writing. And this is a simple and easiest way to improve yourself. If you are genuinely serious and you want to improve, you are going to take action. If you are not serious, you are not going to take action, because I know most of the people just if someone is more have the burning desire to improve English speaking, he is going to take action. He is going to start something. He is going to just analyze where I am lacking. I am going to improve myself. So this is a simple way which I tell you, that go and take action and you are going to see the results. So because I learned these things from the Josh Talk speakers. I'm not telling, yes, there is my also experience, because I listen them and I improve. I just took action and I'm getting results. So you are going to get results. So thanks for today, and just I would like to say, keep learning, keep growing, and be 1% better in your life. So thanks for today. We will meet in next video.